In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and launch a sprint in Jira Cloud. If sprint planning has ever felt messy, slow, or unclear, this walkthrough will help you create a much cleaner process. We're going to move from logging in to opening the backlog to creating a sprint, adding and estimating work, starting the sprint, and finally doing a quick review to make sure everything is set up correctly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Atlassian site, or sign in through the official Atlassian login page. Once you're signed in and the main dashboard loads, open the software project where your team manages its work. Starting from the correct project is important because that ensures you're planning inside the right board and backlog. After that, look to the left-hand navigation menu inside the project and click Backlog. This takes you out of the day-to-day board view and into the planning space where you can organize upcoming work more effectively. The backlog is where your team can review priorities before turning them into real sprint commitments. When the backlog opens, go to the upper area of the page and click Create Sprint. Jira will place a new empty sprint above the rest of your backlog items. Think of this as a container for the work your team plans to complete during the next iteration. Next, review the prioritized items in your backlog. Drag your highest value issues into the new sprint. As you do this, make sure each item has an estimate. Depending on how your project is configured, that may be a story point estimate or an original estimate field. Enter the values your team uses for sizing, such as 3, 5, or 8. This matters because Jira will total the estimates automatically, giving your team a clearer picture of workload and helping prevent overcommitting. Once your sprint contains the right work, click Start Sprint. A setup window will appear. Give the sprint a clear name, choose the duration, such as 2 weeks, set the start and end dates, and add a sprint goal. The sprint goal should briefly explain what the team wants to achieve so everyone has a shared focus from day one. Then click Start to launch the sprint and move into the active board view. If you want a faster way to create backlog content, Jira also offers built-in AI tools in some environments. You can use the search area or issue editor to describe a user story in plain English, and Jira can help generate a structured draft. This can save time, especially when you're starting from scratch. Before you finish, scan your active sprint board. Check that the right project is open, the issues are in the correct columns, the estimates look accurate, and the sprint reflects your team's real capacity. That final review helps you begin the sprint with clarity and confidence. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in